Hello friends, I welcome you in my official YouTube channel, Online Scam Advisor. Today, our video topic is Splash Spotless Reviews. And in this video, I will tell you that this website and product is legit or not. So let's start. That is an internet shopping website, and they may be imparting Splash Spotless. Splash Spotless is washing gadget cleanser. Powder tablets. Using chemical surfactant technology, it descales washing machines and gets rid of bacteria, mildew, and odors. Let's locate the legitimacy aspect of this website. So to start with, we are able to communicate about this internet site area age. This website is secured by means of the HTTPS protocol and SSL certificates to maintain the details and transactions safe. So it is a good signal of this website. And this website become registered on 9th of January, 2022. So it's 3OR Antique webpage. And now speak approximately Splash Spotless Reviews. So this internet site has acquired tremendous customer opinions. But so it's a good signal of this website. And superb believe score of this internet site, 96 out of 100 commercial enterprise. Agree with ranking of this internet site is likewise proper. That is why this website can be a respectable website inside the conclusion we've come to know. Approximately this website was launched a long time ago. The goods of this internet site also are available on social media. The purchaser critiques of this website are Additionally, excellent human beings have additionally given their remarks approximately this internet site trust score, trust ranking. Alexa rank is also good. This website may be legitimate. But make a right decision while exploring. If this video is informative and helpful for you, then support me, like my video, share my video, and subscribe my channel. Also comment me if you have any question. Thanks for watching this video, and stay happy, stay safe.